Juba Ashtown TV. So na nyakopo shura Ashtown viewers na sabribia mo say mo brain. Na mo journey ye ma ye children ye mo dedicate yourselves. Remember, I said this show is not about just us, it's about all of us. And to know me, leave your comment below. Send me the topic no to ja. Wajin shall be leave it below and then you be ready also idea about it. So and then you offer Tiana night shika crying and I was say Ajamwa Musonfo Rosie. Me Jimmy Grana yeah discussion no and na send ya last weekend na man so yeah the shop pack selon na somewhere muni Easter holidays meeting. You know, we could leave a week, but all the same, we are back live and we are ready to serve you guys always. And you know, today the topic is about side chick. Who is a side chick? Side chick cry, you can side chick and I said anything. And I'm supposed to before we say side chick, and then day, so you have been I've been more fun when say more can say, oh, Nipa radio or a side chick. So today we're going to be discussing about side chick, and it's not me alone. Me Rosie, me Mrs. Penny. That's right. Send them one more thing. So today we're going to be discussing about side chick. So start you are. Yaka side chick kwa. One.
Side chick there. Yaka is a mistress. Will be your mistress. And our mistress, and so there will be your butter will be a pool. And now or butter will be employed. I am not going to say yes, side.
Yo, Russia for son or kind and or children. Na answer no cramp side shaking you, mamma drew you. Or be a wow. Now a sour mistress. And I will be a own worry. No one why not being said. Well, it's here. Ain't you know, son or kind. Okay, Miss So, and then we're just gonna be having a conversation and an interview. Miss So, me, side chick. Obia, whole relationship. Now, I was our girlfriend, and it's actually. But me, no one dream. To the extent, say, you can't just call somebody a side chick. May I believe in say, is the man, nobody decided who a side chick is. That is for a soldier for the end. You never for so. You will never buy for session so. Obema never decided when a side chick, eh? To the extent, say, Obema or Mario. No, the fatter who are the kind. Oh, many men just oh, you mean chick. That's how I mean, actually. And the fact on me, we get Bian Mamma now singing near one another to me, dear. And not just a way, main chick and I'm your side chick. In a car, just that.
Oh, yeah, very interesting. I worry for the and also so no say you better dear in the map will be our worry. And I just saw a trip not a will be and I a dear in some so and the back. Aside that, and so you like the advantages and the disadvantages of a sir at the end of Nasa. So by now, I worry for movie. Yeah, I said yeah,
so viewers, like she said, no. Never worry now. And you know, what you trade family. Don't forget to subscribe. Now turn on your notification bell. Say be a better life be and post a wooden online cry. I sure be bad obenya notification or phone so now what's me I'm joining. And to leave your comment below. What you should be leave it below and then shout out to Yusuf, Nakpo Shop, I will be watch Ashtown TV. And I'm reading your comments in this world. Nakpo Shop, so go ahead.
Josie, yeah, Rosie, sorry. Metria, yeah, Nasha for. Yes, without them, we need one. Now, baby, offer a would be and she can see and command, ya fellow. We are hoping say you be who now I shall force us to be ocean. I mean, ensure when this is Easter, they had fun and they enjoyed themselves.
So let's start it. Our phone a day, Nema obema se obema wo e de na be ma obema kwa about ti se me wojere na me se ja me re wa akọfa mistress wa e de na di we na
Rose me gidi say most na free emba no obi wo hodo mo a oma efie enye de nti be ma ni pe free a there is no joy in the house wouldn't say be ma oba warifo bi kwa wo ho a ono aduane ma ni kunu endi nti enu say na be ma no obi ko so ni mu